Get ready to experience raw power and tonal precision with a 50-watt amplifier built to elevate your sound. Driven by a 10-inch speaker with a high-performance Y30 magnet, this amp delivers punchy, detailed tones perfect for electric and bass guitars alike. Shape your sound with total control. Fine-tune your tone using gain, bass, middle, treble, and volume knobs, or dive into rich ambiance with built-in delay, time, and repeat effects. From clean rhythm to heavy distortion, your tone is in your hands. Practice anytime, anywhere. Plug in your headphones for silent sessions, or use the aux and line-in to jam along with your favorite tracks. Whether you're at home, on stage, or in a studio, this amp adapts to your style and space. With its rugged build, reinforced corners, and compact size, it's made for musicians on the move. Lightweight yet powerful, stylish in black and gold, and engineered to handle your daily grind. Sound louder, play smarter, perform anywhere, with one amp that does it all.